Hello everyone, this is Mr. Storm and this is weeks 3 and 4 of Game Development Fundamentals. For the next 2 weeks, you are going to be focusing strictly on developing assets for the 2D game that you're going to be creating. We'll talk a little bit more about that whenever you get into the assignment. So what are you learning? Well, you're learning how to create all the assets that you'll need for your original game. Now, why are you doing this? Well, if we can build all the artwork before we even start learning how to build games in Unity and we have it all ready to go, then we can, first of all, save a lot of time in development. And second, while you're learning how to build games, you can start thinking about how you can use your art assets that you've developed to create the game that you want to make. Now, how are you going to prove that you've learned this? Well, you're going to turn in all the art assets that you create for your game. Anyway, like I said, you're going to have 2 weeks to work on this. So some of you are really perfectionists when it comes to artwork. Make sure you get all of this stuff turned in by the end of week 4. That way, whenever we move on, in week 5, we're going to start learning how to use Unity. You don't want to find yourself behind at the end of week 4 because you want as much time as possible to learn how to use Unity. It is kind of a complicated system. So let's try to get all of the artwork done as quickly as possible and get started, at least on time, if not early, on learning how to use Unity. All right, you got a lot to do, so I'm going to let you go, and I'll see you next time.